Okay, so in this video we're looking at more problems where switching around the numerator really helps. In other words, where using the commutative property might make a problem a lot simpler. So first we have 3/7 times 2/3, and then we'll look at 5/9 times 3/5. So the first step, we're just to understand what's happening, right? Let's use the standard algorithm. Let's multiply our numerators and our denominators just to get an answer, just to get at it, right? And that's okay if you use this algorithm, but we're going to look at some ways to save some time here. So 3 by 2, it's 6. 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, I can reduce that. Dividing by 3, I get 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. Great. Here we have 15 over 45. Dividing both by 15, I get 15 divided by 15 is 1. 45 divided by 15 is 3. And those are our answers. So the goal is, how can we switch these numerators around to make this process even simpler? I think in the first one what I would do is just switch this numerator here. And I know that because there's another 3 waiting for me in the denominator. So if I put this 3 here, and I move this 2 over, this fraction will become, and I'll write over here, we have 2 over 7 is the first fraction, times 3 over 3. And that's just 1. Right? 3 over 3 is 1, so I can see this answer as being 2/7. And if that wasn't clear, we could also just cross these two out from the start. And then what's left over is 2 over 7. If you see those two numerator and denominator that match and will divide into each other evenly as once, well, then they don't need to be in the problem. And that actually factors into the next question. Notice that 5 and 5 here match. So if I switch these two, I get 3 over 9 times 5 over 5. And 5 over 5 is just 1. Also notice that 3 goes into 9 3 times. So that's like 1/3. So the answer is 1 times 1/3. And that was our answer, 1/3. And the point is that whenever you're faced with an expression, you don't need to rush and do these standard algorithms. Look for things that cross out. These two 5s crossed out, right? They divided into each other. 3 over 9 is like 1/3. So the answer here is just 3 over 9, or 1/3. And you can see the answer is much clearer when you look for the switching and the order of the numerators or denominators. I hope that helps.